We begin with breaking news. We just got the 911 phone call from workers at Hacienda Healthcare when a woman who had been in a vegetative state 28 years went into labor and delivered a baby boy. Carissa Planalp's live in the newsroom. Pretty shocking, Carissa.
Yeah, very disturbing phone call, but it does shed some light on whether certain staff members knew this young woman was pregnant. You're about to hear a frantic call to 911 from a woman identifying herself as a nurse. That 5-minute call begins with the nurse shouting that the baby is blue and they need help. Then the dispatcher begins to walk the nursing staff through chest compressions. The baby's not breathing, but there's some confusion about what's going on with the mother. Here's why. Take a listen.
One of our patients just had a baby and we had no idea she was pregnant.
Okay, is the baby
We were not
out?
prepared for that. Baby's turning blue. We need someone now.
And the mom is doing okay?
We're not sure. We had no idea this patient was pregnant.
Well, the dispatcher goes on to ask if there are signs of life from the baby, tells them to continue CPR until finally we hear in the call that the baby is breathing. Now, we have been told that mother and baby are recovering at local hospitals. Nicole?
Yeah, Carissa, this is clearly proof at least the worker who called in had no idea that woman was pregnant. The biggest question is still if she was getting the proper bed checks and baths. How did no one notice? It's been a week. Is the facility saying anything?
Well, the word from Hacienda is that they're cooperating with Phoenix police for their investigation and that they're reviewing their protocols. Now, the attorney for that young woman's family has been telling us that the baby was born into a loving family and will be well cared for. Now, if you want to hear that entire 5-minute 911 phone call, you can find it right now on our AZ Family News app. In the newsroom, Carissa Planalp for Arizona's Family.
Carissa, thank you so much. CBS 5 Investigates was the first to break this story last week to hear from a doctor who actually checked out one of the other patients at the same facility for possible abuse. You can download our AZ Family News app right now.